guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I know I'm probably the last person in the world, well at least on the internet, to make a video about Dalgona coffee.
But here we are.
Here we are. This is what it's come to. So I was going to make something beautiful like this, but I had an awful
we tried.
career-ending fail.
It did not happen.
But we're still going to have Dalgona. Just couldn't make the matcha happen. I don't
Stop trying to make matcha happen.
I know. Well, I will. Stop. So we're just going to do the Dalgona. We're going to do it vegan, and we're going to do it a little bit healthier because instead of the sugar, we're going to use Monfruit sweetener. So let's get started. It's really, really simple. And the best part of this whole thing is that you can make a big batch of this and keep it in the freezer in like a Tupperware and just whip it out whenever you want to have a Dalgona iced coffee. And you take your ice cream scoop and you put a little plop on the top of your iced milk. It's so simple. This is going to come together in just a couple minutes. So I put the Monfruit sweetener in. I'm putting in the instant coffee. I got medium roast. And the thing about this is you use equal parts sugar, coffee, and hot water. So I'm using a 1/4 cup. Even though I slopped that up, it's still a 1/4 cup. And I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of the boiling water. I'm going to take this over to the mixer where we will do all of our work. Show your work. We're just going to plop that down on high. We'll be done in just a few minutes.
Ooh, little artwork.
Yeah. I don't know how this works. I don't know why this works. But thank goodness it works. I need this. All right, so it's a win. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is.
Are you gonna do the?
Nope, not gonna do the McFlurry thing and put it over my head. Or
That's
the
not
Dairy
McFlurry.
Queen one. The Blizzard.
Is that Dairy Queen?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not doing that. All right, so I have a millennial jar of iced here. And I have my beautiful Chobani Oat plain extra creamy. If I really wanted to take this skinny, I could do a 25 calorie almond / cashew milk, but I can't eat tree nuts. So unfortunately, I'm going to do this fat. I'm going to put my milk in with my ice, maybe a little more, because that would be a lot of Dalgona on there. And I'm going to just take my ice cream scoop to make the perfect scoop.
Whoa.
I see some people who have made videos just slop that in there. Just get out the ice cream scoop, people.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I just love the fluffiness of it.
It is so fluffy. It just looks magical.
It
and
looks
it
like
tastes
peanut
even
butter.
better. It tastes even better. Look at this. You could even style it a little bit. I would just leave that little nipple there.
Okay.
Look at that.
Mm.
But after we take a photo, we're going to eat it or drink it. All right. So I guess you should probably mix it, right? Because otherwise you're just drinking the oat milk on the bottom. But my husband had one of these for the first time this morning. He had the good part of the fail, and now he's hooked. It's like, oh, this is good. This is good. Real good. Sign me up. I needed this win today, guys. I needed this. Delicious. Anyway, if you have any left over, make sure you keep it in the freezer, and then you got bonus Dalgona, and you don't have to go through washing the KitchenAid. It's not really a big deal. It comes right off. It's not like you're doing like a cake or something. You just rinse it right off and it comes off. But I'm going to go and...
You go enjoy that.
Yes, I'm going to call my mom, and this will make it tolerable.
Oh.
And I'm going to have a nice afternoon. So I hope you also have a nice afternoon. Thank you for subscribing if you did. If you didn't, what are you waiting for? It's free, and we're going to have more stuff. Hopefully. Tomorrow we're doing a Rice Krispie treat without marshmallows. So I hope you show up for our vegan live stream tomorrow at 2 p.m. So thanks. Eastern. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate you. And until next time, much love.